The healing tool. Now this is a great innovation in Photoshop 7 where you can get rid of blemishes like this scratch in the paper here by sampling a clear area by holding Alt and then spraying the sample over the blemish, and it's taking pixels from the sampled area and adding them to this area here where the blemish was and getting rid of it. So you can just click and spray from the original sampled area over a variety of blemishes and get rid of them. So that's very handy. It's also a good way of getting rid of wrinkles and things like that on photographs as well, by sampling clear skin and spraying it over the wrinkles. So this is kind of called dust busting. We're actually getting rid of speckles of dust and blemishes using the healing brush tool. There's another one there, so I'm just going to click Alt and then spray over there, and we've got rid of the blemish. So it's a great way of photo restoration as well, getting rid of hairs, things like that. Now, as well as the healing tool for specific areas, you can use the subset of the healing tool, which is the patch tool, and this allows you to choose a section like this mottled area here. If we just click and select that like so, I can then drag with the mouse, because we've got it on source here. If I drag with the mouse to a clearer area, it will take the clear area and plonk it on top of the original selection. I'm going to let go of the mouse now, and it's going to take this area here and replace it where we originally had the selection. Command D to deselect, and you can see now that that mottled blemish has disappeared. I could have taken that area, and if I press destination I could have then dragged that selected area and plonked it somewhere else, but as it was the area we wanted to repair, I've left it on source and I've patched over that big chunk. So patches are good for large, rough and ready areas that you want to heal, but most of the time I tend to stick with the healing brush tool and fine-tune blemishes myself by hand, which is much easier to use really than the patch tool, but you might get a taste for it. Have a go and experiment and see which one you prefer.